Grade 7, Chapter 6, Tinkercad for Arduino, Lesson 5. At this 5th lesson, you'll be exploring how to control two LEDs using two different variables. Examine the circuit built on page 86. The two LEDs are connected to pins 5 and 7. I will follow the same steps as the previous lesson by creating two variables, S1 and S2. In the OnStart block, I will insert the two blocks Set S1 to and Set S2 to. As mentioned at the beginning of this lesson on page 86, you are asked to make the first LED blinking slowly, and then gradually will blink faster. The second LED will start blinking fast, and then gradually will blink more slowly. So logically speaking, you have to set the variable S1 to a value equal to 1000. And set the variable S2 to the value 0. Examine the script on page 87, where you have to fill in the blanks in different blocks of the script. I will complete the script and show you the result. Then it will be your turn to move the computer. To open Tinkercad, and then create the circuit and build the script accordingly. At the end of this lesson, I will show you a real Arduino project in action, similar to the one you did in Tinkercad. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on our social media platform to stay connected.